Kasi, nadaman dito ba?
Hindi, tapos,
Why?
gumanan.
Remember?
Why was it shut? Why? Why was it fighting?
Sino na nandun ako? Nandun si Roy at ako.
Almost on you?
Anong balita?
Later? Wow.
Kuya!
Anong balita?
Wow.
Kuya, we can breathe! Kuya, we can breathe! Kuya, we need air!
I feel now.
Kuya, we need air! We need, bird? Smoke coming from...
You know, absolutely, I wish to see fireworks inside house.
Oh my
You know,
God.
absolutely, I wish to tulok.
What's the right
When
term?
ano mga si Kuya?
Firework inside, outside house. Tama ba?
What's the right term?
You know, I want, I want,
I want to make wiwi. Wiwi lang ako.
gusto ko nga.
I will.
Nakaabot ako ng New Year sa bahay mo.
To see the fireworks.
To see,
Kaya pag hindi kami nag-group,
Long. Di pwede.
kaya pag hindi kami nag-group, stop, malulungkot.
To watch.
Bakit hindi ka nag-group?
Bigel, suko mo si ano, Alice. Bigel, suko mo nga si ano.
I want to watch the fireworks outside. Because you know, absolutely.
Ako na lang suot mo yun habang bibilang ka.
That's good. I miss it.
Any kind of color?
Good job.
Eh, sige, kuha mo nga si ano, Denise.
Sinabi niya ni Bigo, ay ni Gigo ng plastic.
Kuya.
Sabi na, malalaking mata. Nangyari. Sabi ko sa'yo,
Denise, ito yung antay na lang sa labas. Antay na lang sa labas.
Pag-base na to. Daan. Ala na eh.
Sabi? Ay, sabi!
Kami. Kanong kami dito?
Pagpunta natin sa rooftop. Charot! Uy, Bigel! Sakay ko
Ikaw,
ako!
okay, Denise. Mag-shot ka. Ikaw, para si Bigel, para maramdaman mo si Bigel kasi siya taga-tulak eh. Sige lang.
Yeah, man. He says that we're plastic. The only reason why we're plastic is because we don't want to hurt his feelings. Oh, me neither. If he tried to touch me, I'd smack him.
I won't. Wag na. Hindi ko na siya humingi siya ng hug. I'll tell him, di ba plastic ako?
Just do it. I'm gonna do it. That's why I didn't want to. I don't like touching Kigoy. Okay. It's New Year's. Start new. Start fresh. Let's stop being plastic.
Iwaga at...
I didn't hear any argument.
Counting the whole thing.
1,001, 1,002, 1,002, 1,003.
How many times did you get out of the door? Did you really come out the door? Damn it, I missed it! Oh, sorry.
Hindi kayang paliwanag. Is wala akong...
Okay ka? Okay ka? I can't believe you. Where was I? Why wasn't I watching it?
You can't imagine me getting
No,
mad.
I just wanted to see it.
Ano ba ito na gusto mo?
Really?
I was like, okay.
Kaya, natatakot ka sa akin?
Hindi, natatakot na ako. Baka kung ano gawin mo.
Ilagay mo sa tenga mo din. I can imagine Slater getting mad.
Me too.
Like I said in the confession room when we were...
It was the scene for the year.
It's,
Scene of the year.
the tone of voice changed.
Go live! Kuku! 13 times bakla!
Are we allowed to do that?
Wag!
Wag mo na gawin.
Don't. Time na. Sige, mag-modeling ka na lang. Mag-chat ka na lang dyan.
Kasi ako nakakuko.
Sige, isuot mo lang muna. Hindi, kung natapos naman na.
Dito na lang sa labas. Kuku. Ha? Ayoko ko. Kahit sa costume party ng cream, di ko sinusuot. Bakla na kasi makatsaka, no? Oo, Diyos ko.
Kuya, come on, Kuya.
Hello, to.
Model ka na lang yun.
Hello, kaya magiging model ng inasal ng Bacolod. Si ano kaya? Joy kaya sa Bacolod?
I wanna know. It's killing me.
Kuya Gino, alam ko naman yung ano na ba ang plano?
How long have you been doing?
Asa na
8 hours. No, you know the first part?
Ilang seconds and how many times we counted? That's up 30,000.
Carlo, the first part when I was doing that, that was more than 2 hours from what we counted. That was like 3 or 4 hours.
That's why I was laughing. That's why it's 8 laughing.
Yeah. I was doing this for like 2 hours, I think.
Ito ang hindi kaya
It was a good gamble.
Yeah.
help of kaya ng
Sila, in average sila. That's why in-advance sila.
Sabi ng Biblia na
That's if.
kami tungkol sa karu.
Bakit?
Karu.
Bakit?
Hindi, naisip mo ba yung munggoy?
Nagsama-sama tayo.
Eto, pati ikaw.
Oo kaya, siya kaya
Kami kaya na gano'n.
Bakit may
Isipin mo! Engineer!
Nandun ka.
Businessman! Oh, saan ka pa? Engineer, businessman. Which one?
Si Joya. Sige, next day.
Ang bago?
Good vibes muna.
Action, emotion, and...
Basta ako plastic.
Tapos si Wendy.
Wala akong ginagawa. Hindi yun niyakap pa.
May nag-usap na kami, okay na kami. Oo. Sinasarcastic.
Ay, nakita mo, narinig ko.
Ano na ngayon? Trending na ngayon.
Buti nga,
Happy New Year, Australia.
Huwag na natin isipin yun, 2011 pa yun. 2012 na ngayon.
Oh, it's already New Year's, Australia.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Baba. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. 4 hours or 2
Ay, happy birthday pa, Mami.
Advance?
Happy
Australia.
Happy New Year.
Happy birthday, Yana.
Mahal sa akin. Sa mga
Happy birthday, Yana.
Sa lahat-lahat.
January 1.
Maris, Happy New Year.
Ano doon ka kanina?
Bracelet.
Mamaya.
Kumakabati. Kala.
Ready.
Wala, Lolo. Peripeteo. Pasla.
Naya, anong handa nyo dyan?
Kay Drew, Happy New Year sa lahat.
Meron na ba?
G-Ray, Jenma.
Sa akin wala ko.
Karen, sa lahat.
Eh, di ba